In this brief video, we're going to talk about how you can stay maybe a little bit more organized in Google Chrome, especially if you use the same tabs every day or if you are one to have a lot of tabs that are open. I have shared with you in the past an extension called OneTab, and this will be kind of building upon that, a different strategy. So if I open up my Google Chrome, and let's say every day I go to Google and I go to my Drive, and I go to my email, I go to my calendar, and I go to Teacheries. Like say those are my common ones. Now what I can do is I can start building groups based on different functions or different kind of categories. So I'm going to right click on my first one and I'm going to say add tab to new group, and I'm going to call this daily. So I know every day I go to this, and maybe I'm going to color it. For the Drive, I'm going to right click on it and add to my daily group. For my email, I'm going to right click, add it to my daily group. I'm going to add my calendar, and I'm going to also add Teacheries. Now maybe I have a group that I want that's for communication for me for Facebook. So I'm going to right click, add tab to group. I'm going to say new group, and I'm going to call this communication. I'll give it a color. And for that I also need Instagram. So I'm going to have that be added to my communication group. So now I have kind of two groups. Now I can minimize my daily group by just clicking on it, and then now I just see my communication group. If I need to go to daily, I click on that. I can minimize my communication. Now if you want to save these tab groups, so every day when you open up Google Chrome, what you need to do is in Chrome you need to go to your three dots or snowballs. Under settings, you're going to choose on startup, and you're going to say continue where you left off. So continue where you left off. So this is where I left off with my groups, my tabs. So if I close out of Chrome, I open it back up, you'll notice I had my groups are still here. So my communication group, I can close it. My daily group is still there. So this is one way that you can stay organized by creating these little groups up at the top. Another way that you can do your organization as well is under settings. You can look at on startup, on open specific page or set of pages. So if you know every day you go to Google, you go to your Drive, you go to those things, you can say add a new page, and let's say you go to School Insight every day. I can add that. Add a new page. Alright, so now you've seen I've added all these pages. I'm going to say open in a specific page or set of pages. So now instead of having it open up with my groups, I open up Google Chrome, and each one of those will open as a tab. So hopefully this could be beneficial if you want to stay a little bit organized when managing certain tabs in Google Chrome. Let me know if you have any questions.